Okay, so good afternoon. This will be your recorded discussion for computer software applications. Before we start, we will be discussing our course outline. So yung course outline natin will be here. Our outline of discussion would be for the Photoshop basics. So magsimula tayo sa ating interface, paper sizes, menu bar, and the important menu only. Basic commands and tools limited to the important ones. So meaning we will not discuss other tools and commands na hindi naman masyadong gagamitin for the basic outputs natin. And then we will be having the selection tools and the drawing tools. What are the differences from them? Tapos paano siya gamitin? Document window, layers panel, so that you can organize yung iyong mga ginagawa or project on Photoshop. So at the same time, pati yung mga settings when it comes to control panel on different tools na meron tayo. Okay, so dadagdag ko na rin other tools such as blending options, hue and saturation, at saka yung layer filters, on which ito ay for modifying the images if actually needed for your composition. Kasi itong ating discussion or recorded discussion would be very helpful dun sa inyong gagawing mga compositions in the future using the Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so let's start. This discussion as well will be integrated on our Photoshop resources link na I will be giving you so after this discussion. So since na-discuss ko na ito, itabi ko muna yung ating computer software applications outline. So eto. So here's my screen. Meron tayo dito link nung Photoshop resources natin kasama na yung mga upcoming lessons natin. At the same time, on this link, you can actually see the activity samples, raw images, or kung paano mo gagawin yung next activity. So basically, yung all the basic Photoshop commands and tools na gagamitin right now will be applied on your first activity as well para mas madali nyo siyang magawa. Okay? So, pwede nyong i-replay or i-backtrack dito sa inyong video kung paano nyo siya gagawin. Okay? At the same time, let's have the etong ating basics of Photoshop lesson number 2. So kasi on our face-to-face discussion, since hindi pa natin na-discuss yung introduction to multimedia, yun yung i-discuss natin by the next face-to-face class. So for now, we'll just be having the basics of Photoshop on the online recording kasi para at least somehow, pagka natutunan nyo yung tools, you can simply replay them or makita kung paano talaga siya actually ina-apply. So, knowing na yung ating laboratory on our university or our college is hindi siya capable na ma-share ko sa inyo on how I will be editing through that PC. So, much better na on this recording, makita nyo siya lahat. Okay, so let's start. Furthermore, dito sa ating introduction, you are seeing the Photoshop interface. So we'll be having this Photoshop interface lesson on cutted or on a cut part by part discussion. Okay, so that's for our introduction, and then you'll proceed on the next video.